Hello everyone. In the previous class, we have started with the chapter number 8, the supreme form of love. So we are going to continue the same chapter. We have read up to this page 48. So today we are going to read page number 49, the bloody sacrifice. In the ancient times, people offered bloody sacrifice to God. For this, they used animals, birds, and even human beings. Even in this modern age, we see people who offer human sacrifice based on some false religious beliefs. So why do some people prefer bloody sacrifice? People believe that sacrifice is the true form way to please God. So they are saying that ब्लड की सैक्रिफाइस को बोलते हैं ब्लडी सैक्रिफाइस. मीन्स अर्लियर डेज, बहुत पुराने ज़माने में जानवरों की, बर्ड्स की, किसी न किसी एनिमल्स की बलि चढ़ाई जाती थी. तो ये क्यों चढ़ाते थे? उनका बिलीव था कि भगवान इसी से खुश होंगे. सो दे वॉन्ट टू सेटिस्फाई और प्लीज गॉड बाय ऑफरिंग सम रियली वैल्यूबल थिंग. और सबसे प्रेशियस थिंग क्या होती है? लाइफ. तो वो लाइफ आप ऑफर करोगे तो भगवान ज़रूर से ज़रूर खुश होंगे. सो लाइफ इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड प्रेशियस. सो ब्लड इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ life. So people offer blood by using animals as a sacrificial victim. Thus the practice of bloody sacrifice exists even today, when man sensed that human being was the most exalted creature of God. So he dared to offer human beings to God as sacrificial victim. It is wrong. It is the false belief. ऑब्वियसली ये तो गलत चीज़ है. गॉड ने तो कभी रिमाइंड नहीं करा. भगवान ने तो नहीं बोला तुम मेरे को खून दो तभी मैं तुम्हारी हर विश पूरी करूँगा. भगवान ने ही तो हमें बनाया है. ही हैज़ ओनली क्रिएटेड अस. सो हाउ ही विल एक्सेप्ट अस ह्यूमन बीइंग एज एन ऑफर और अ sacrificial gift in return to God. So God created man and his image and likeness. So God can never want his blood to satisfy himself. कभी भी भगवान नहीं चाहेंगे कि blood sacrifice हो, because God has only created all the animals, all the human beings. Everything has been created by God and he has done a very beautiful thing. So to please God, we will sacrifice the same thing what God has given to us. So that is wrong. Okay, next one is non-bloody sacrifice. It is believed, no problem, believe it. But from this point, God has never said to sacrifice someone. Okay, non-bloody sacrifice. It is another form of sacrifice. Means हम भगवान को थैंक यू करते हैं जो भी हमें मिला है by offering various valuable things. पहले के ज़माने में क्या होता था? दे सेलेक्ट बेस्ट थिंग फ्रॉम एंड अराउंड द लाइफ, लाइक क्रॉप्स, वेजिटेबल. जो भी हार्वेस्ट के समय सबसे पहला फल या सबसे पहली जो अनाज है या कुछ भी हो, वो हमेशा भगवान को चढ़ता था और सबसे अच्छा होना चाहिए और सबसे पहला होना चाहिए. एट मेनी प्लेसेस पीपल ऑफर द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द कल्टिवेशन टू गॉड, है ना. सो हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल आर ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेटेड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस बिलीफ. ठीक है. इफ़ वी एनालाइज बोथ सैक्रिफाइस वेदर ब्लडी और नॉन ब्लडी, द इंटेंशन दोनों का सेम ही है, दोनों का मीनिंग अलग नहीं है. बस एक कंडीशन, हेंस वी कैन सी टू कंडीशंस दैट मेक द सैक्रिफाइस मोर मीनिंगफुल. द टोटल सरेंडर ऑफ द offer and the acceptance by the offering by God. So primarily the offerer should offer wholly at the feet of God. सबसे पहली चीज़ पूरे दिल से, पूरे मन से उसे सैक्रिफाइस करना चाहिए. So he should not have any kind of hesitation or doubt about the efficiency of the offering. Secondly, the sacrifice must be acceptance to the one whom it is offered. Then only the sacrifice will be meaningful. So इससे related एक story मेरे को याद आ रही है. It's a parable in the Bible. So there was an old lady. She came and offered, उसके पर्स में 2 coins थे. So she offered that 2 coins to God. Then the other came and they also offered many beautiful and very nice things. So who has sacrificed his thing. किसने सबसे अच्छा गिफ्ट भगवान को चढ़ाया? So God said, the lady who has sacrificed, she had only 2 coins in her bag. She had only that thing, but then also with wholeheartedly she offered that thing to me. So she has done a great sacrifice. So this is the thing, आप sacrifice करो, भगवान को सोना चढ़ाओ, चांदी चढ़ाओ, मगर दिल से नहीं चढ़ाओगे, पैसे देख के या कुछ मन में मुटाव रख के अगर भगवान को कुछ चढ़ाओगे तो वो सैक्रिफाइस नहीं होता. सो अब बताया गया है सैक्रिफाइस एंड रिलेशनशिप्स. अब ये होते क्या हैं? सैक्रिफाइस इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द सुप्रीम फॉर्म ऑफ लव इन वंस रिलेशनशिप. The bond of love is enriched by one's own offering for the cause of the other. This is reflected in daily life in various ways. We can clearly notice that the act of sacrifice is reflected in all the 3 basic human relationships. Family relationships. Family is considered to be the smallest community. Family is the place where one can witness the mutual offering. Here the parents offer or sacrifice their lives for the welfare of their children. In return the children live for their parents. So फैमिली में हर कोई एक दूसरे के लिए सैक्रिफाइस करता है. फैमिली में पेरेंट्स बच्चे के लिए सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं कि ताकि उनके बच्चे अच्छे से रहे. पेरेंट्स बच्चे कैसे रिटर्न करते हैं? अच्छे से पढ़ के, उनकी सेवा करके. सो उन्हें सोचना चाहिए कि पेरेंट्स उनके लिए कितना सफ़र कर रहे हैं उनको पढ़ाने के लिए, उनको अच्छी लाइफ देने के लिए. उनको ये सिचुएशन को समझना चाहिए. हाउ डू योर पेरेंट्स टेक पेन्स फॉर योर स्टडीज स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन? हाउ हार्ड इज़ देम फॉर देम? अभी ले लीजिए, आपका कोविड टाइम चल रहा है. हाउ योर पेरेंट्स आर सैक्रिफाइसिंग, हाउ योर पेरेंट्स हैव गिवन यू द फोन, bought the new phone so that you can study. They are trying hard that there should not be any communication gap between the teachers and the students. So they are trying hard in every way to connect you with your studies, and this will make you happy, not the other person happy. So this all things sacrifice is done by the parents for the welfare of their children. Religious relationships. Man originates from God and keeps a continuous relationship with Him. This relationship is established and reflected in his religious practices. In our relationship with God, we should experience the feeling of total surrender. In our sincere prayers, we experience the presence of God. As a result, we should surrender ourselves fully to Him. Prayer raises the conscious of mind towards Supreme Being. Okay. So prayer is exciting experience where the devotees realize the presence of God and he thereby surrenders himself fully to God. मतलब भगवान में इतने लीन हो जाते हैं कि हम भगवान को महसूस करने लग जाते हैं, तो वो अपने आप को पूरी तरह सैक्रिफाइस कर देते हैं भगवान के चरणों में. So there he accepts and proclaims God in the Supreme Being, the creator of the whole universe, and admits himself as his creature. This surrender is called sacrifice in itself. Now social relationships. Man lives in society, obviously social relationships तो होंगे ही. So hence he is related with other people in the society in various ways. His relation with God and family would be reflected in his social relationships. He must be ready to offer himself for the sake of his fellow men when they are in need of. We should see how people help others mutually in bad times. We should sense the importance of social relationships, especially during the time of natural calamities like earthquake, tsunami. तो इस समय हमें एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए. सोसाइटी में रहते हो, सो फैमिली एंड रिलीजियस रिलेशनशिप कंबाइन होकर सोशल रिलेशनशिप बनता है. So and other family relationship. So relationship with God is sincere and wholehearted and will be sincere to others also. अगर तुम भगवान की तरफ प्रति सिंसियर हो तो आप लोगों के प्रति भी सिंसियर होगे, है ना. तो अगर on the other hand if your relationship with God is broken, the man to man relationship will be also broken. Offer the real sacrifice. Considering these principles, we should realize that the sacrifice of the heart with its emotion and feeling is the best form of sacrifice. If you're giving anything from your heart, whether it's one toffee to the other person or you're offering anything to God, so it's the biggest sacrifice, because with all your emotions and with all your heart and feelings, you have sacrificed the thing. It is done through a sincere prayer and renunciation. So it is the sacrifice of the whole person, the person himself, with what he is and what was he has raised to God. God never looks at the things that are offered to him, but the heart of the dear only. भगवान वो नहीं देखते आपने क्या ऑफर करा है, भगवान ये देखते हैं दिल से क्या दिया है. It is not the incense or gold that is more pleasing to him, but the repenting heart of man. इस लाइन में बोला है कि इंसेंस, लोबान और गोल्ड मीन सोना चांदी, लोबान, ये सबसे भगवान खुश नहीं होते, मगर आप दिल से पश्चाताप करते हो, माफ़ी मांगते हो, तो उससे भगवान जरूर खुश होते हैं. सो हेंस इट इज सेड, गॉड लव्स द सिनर एंड हेट्स द सिन. So this was the chapter number 8. What is the chapter? The supreme form of love. So these are the things which we have done today. So this week what you are going to do, only you have to answer these things in your book and do this fill-ups. This week only these two things you have to note down in your books only, not in notebook. Thank you and have a good day.